Okay, part 2, conducting your expert interviews. You're going to be writing questions to ask experts on the topic of your advocacy project. So these slides right here are going to kind of help you think of questions. Questions need to be approved before you go and do the interview. So make sure we're doing these on a timely basis so you can get this done in time. You have 5 questions. Here's the matrix to help you go through this. Also another link, an example of like a template to set up an interview. Do not set anything up until you prove them with me. The next part is getting your questions approved. This document's going to get handed in. Okay. It says 2 experts with our time. I'm going to say 1. I need to change that, but it says 2 with our time. We need to do 1. 1 expert. Okay. You need to find an expert and put all this information there of how you're going to contact them in your questions and responses. I know there's 2 columns, but you only need to do 1 person. Okay. I'm thinking who could be an expert. Think about what your topic is. If it's about health wellness, maybe there's a physician in the area, maybe there's someone you know. Okay, you need to do that research. Next, we're doing peer surveys. Developing appropriate questions to identify peers' thoughts on your topic. Okay, so what do your peers think of the data? What is making students do these decisions? Think of 4 questions related to the data you chose. Okay, don't ask questions you already know the answers to. Here's that matrix again to help you think of questions. Now we're going to use this to plan our survey. Okay, so we're considering all these things. Was this in the last slide? I'm going to suggest do like a Google form because we have our classmates' emails. Would probably be the easiest. So what's the topic about? What are your 4 questions? And I got to approve before you send them out. Before you distribute your survey, I need to approve the questions. Again, this is a time consuming, so make sure we're doing this in a prompt manner, otherwise we're running out of time. So now we're going to create our advocacy in action. So here's some options. You can create a brochure, a podcast, a children's book, poetry reading. You could do, well, we can't only do it around the school because of all those issues. But something that you can do from home. Create a bumper sticker, write a blog, a letter to Congress. So what is your action going to be? And then our final step is, oops, not too far. If you're working on your own, you can choose 1 from column A, 1 from column B. If you're working in a group, complete 1 action from column A and 1 from column B for each person. So if I'm in a group, the group does column A, individually we do column B on your topic. Okay, and then email me with your advocacy action and project approval so I know you're doing it and we should be done. Please email me if you have any questions or concerns or something's not making sense. I know there's a lot of steps to this project.